Guys, you're gonna like this one. You guys know that crazy Clancy? Well, he got a wild nerve in him. He texted me today. And you know what? I'm not even gonna tell you what that text message said. I'm so excited that I hopped in my truck and I'm heading over to his shop right now. I got off work early just to do this because I'm so effing excited. And I think you guys will too. So, stick around for the ride. I'll let him tell you what his crazy ass idea is. I thought it was already crazy in the first place. But you guys are gonna find out how crazy this guy really is. Here we are pulling into Clancy's shop. There's those stubs right here, huh? You guys recognize those stubs. There's Clancy's shop. Let's go see what he has in store. Oh look, he's working on a paver. This guy works on everything. Sup, old kid? I was just telling old YouTube that you are a wild man. Crazy.
We'll see if they let us.
Well, I want you to tell them what your crazy idea is. I haven't told them.
Show you. Come around to the junk side.
This isn't junk. This isn't junk.
Good stuff.
That's where he keeps all the goodies.
Come over here.
We can't show you that car yet. It's not done. The video ain't out yet.
Which car?
This one. Yeah.
One of the videos, yeah. So, I want to go to LS Fest. We're already registered with this. But I don't think that's as exciting as it could be. So, for this to do four-wheel drive burnouts, you need something to anchor it to. And it's kind of just a circle on the asphalt. So, I want to hook this to this back to back, and my theory is that they'll pull tight and start burning the tires off of them, and then you can start rotating and doing circles, being tied together, just burning the tires off of them. This one will be in four-wheel drive. That one is only two-wheel drive. It doesn't even run yet. It doesn't even have an LS in it.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're leaving an important part out. It doesn't even run yet.
You want to see the floor?
Yeah, let's check this floor out.
And the seats.
Oh,
You can see it's a Flintstone car currently.
that's how we'll be stopping that other car, man.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
But I think it would look sweet with this jalopy with an LS in it.
Wait. When's the LS Fest?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? We got 3 weeks to work on it?
LS swap this, finish that.
Do you guys think we can do it? He can do it? Because I'll just stop by every once in a while.
Abdul will help. He'll have to help if we're going to get this done.
Stick along for that build. It's not going to be a very long one, but it's going to be a fun one to watch.
Yep. Burnouts for days.